Hello friends, today's topic, you will repent later if you delay investments now. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. Large number of people who join our workshops opine that they joined the workshop slightly later in their life and started investing. Because once you join earlier, you can take the benefit of compounding. Today, the whole video is about it. When somebody talks about making losses from stock markets, people usually think that he or she must have bought a stock at a high price and price must have fallen after that, hence the loss was incurred. However, there is another way of losing money in stock markets which most people don't focus on. The money you miss out by making this mistake may be much more than actually buying and selling a stock at the wrong time. The most damaging ways to lose money in stock markets are A. To start investing late in life. B. To invest an amount which is below your capacity. A. To start investing late in life. The average age of people watching our YouTube videos is around 33 years. Most of them are first-time investors who have recently started investing in stock markets, mutual funds, or people who want to start now. Assuming that they completed education by the age of 23, they have not invested in stocks for at least 10 years. Investing and assuming retirement is at 60 years. Age is 23, investment 5,000 per month, return 16%, final corpus 10.51 crores. Age 30, investment 5,000 per month, return 16%, final corpus 3.69 crores. 33 years, same conditions 2.35 crores. 40 years, same conditions 80.30 lakhs. And 50 years, 5,000 per month at 16% per annum 14.84 lakhs. The difference between a person starting to invest 5,000 per month from age 23 compared to starting at age of 33 is 10.51 crores minus 2.35 crores is equal to rupees 8.16 crores. If the 33-year-old person wants to somehow make up for the lost time, he has to invest rupees 22,400 per month from age 33 till 60 so that he can build a corpus of 10.51 crores. Or he should invest a lump sum amount of rupees 5 lakhs and then invest around 16,500 per month till age 60. So, if you observe, laziness or lack of awareness about compounding and stock markets has imposed a penalty of investing 17,400 additionally per month on the 33-year-old compared to only 5,000 per month at the age of 23. The penalty for starting late becomes more the investor delays investing further. So, whatever your age is today, at least take action now and start learning and investing in stock markets as early as possible and as regularly as possible. B. To invest an amount which is below a capacity. We have observed that many people invest an amount which is much below their capacity. For example, if your monthly savings is 15,000, you can easily invest around 7,000 per month in stocks and the rest can be invested in other instruments such as post office, PPF, etc. However, many people become stingy when investing in stock markets. The monthly savings is 18,000. They only invest rupees 5,000 per month in stocks and mutual funds. This will be a major reason for regret many years later when you realize that the returns you received from stocks and mutual funds was very good, but the only mistake you made was that you invested a very small amount of money when compared to actual capacity. Investing, assuming retirement is at 60 years. Age 30, investment 5,000 per month, return 16%, final corpus 3.69 crores. Age 30 years, investment 10,000 per month, return 16% annum 7.38 crores. Difference 5,000 per month and final difference in the final corpus is 3.69 crores. Another mistake which most investors make is that they don't increase their investment as their savings increases in life. For example, when their savings was 18,000 per month, they invested 5,000 per month in stocks But when their savings became 30,000 per month, after a few years, they still continue to invest only 8,000 to 10,000 per month in stocks. In fact, most people can easily increase their investment by 5 to 10% per year. So 5,000 per month in the first year, 5% increase in the second year, 5,250, 5% increase in the third year, and that is 5,513 per month, and so on. Investing, assuming retirement, is at 60 years. Age 30, constant 5,000 per month, 16% per annum returns, final corpus 4.43 crores. Age 30, investment 5,000 per month with annual increase of 5%, return 16% per annum, final corpus 6.07 crores, difference 5% increase every year is 1.64 crores. So, two lessons learned from this video. A. Don't postpone investing in life. B. Invest an amount which is as per your capacity. Irrespective of market level, if you don't invest regularly and as much as your capacity, you are likely to regret later. End of the video, here is the question. Are you capable of investing more money in stocks and mutual funds than current investment? Yes or no, you may type. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye and all the best.